Here I have iPhone 13, and today I'm going to show you how to activate accessibility shortcuts on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the accessibility shortcuts, and here you have different features that you can use as your accessibility shortcuts. For example, let's use classic invert or magnifier. And now to use it, you just have to triple click side key and you will access these accessibility shortcuts. And you can use them like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.